Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix couldn't create thread on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these tips as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up any web browser, and on the search bar simply type in downdetector.com, and once you tap on go, here you'll be sent to this page. Now all you gotta do is simply check the server of the Instagram if it's working properly or not, because the problem that you are facing is due to the Instagram server not operating properly. So just wait it out for a while and then try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go to the settings app and then tap on general. Here type on iPhone storage, and once this loads, all you gotta do is simply scroll down and then find Instagram app and tap on it. And once you're inside Instagram, here you'll have two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it clears any bugs or glitches that is present in the app. And once process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have a reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.